Hi guys! Good morning! Happy Sunday! So grabe guys, ang aga-aga namin ngayon, alas 5:42 pa lang, nandito na kami sa loob ng sasakyan. On the way na kami guys, papunta sa bahay ng kuya ko. Kasi nga guys, pupunta kami ng beach ngayon. So kailangan namin pumasok doon sa bahay nila. Kailangan namin makapunta sa bahay nila before 6 AM. Kasi nagsasara yung kalsada dito guys every Sunday. Kasi nag-e-exercise yung mga tao dito, kaya kino-close nila yung daan. So susunduin namin yung pamangkin ko tapos yung nanay ko guys, kasi hindi sila kasya sa sasakyan nila. So ito yung asawa ko guys, inaantok pa yan guys.
Good morning.
Tapos yung dalawa kong banis is nasa likod. Hindi nyo pa sila guys makita kasi nga madilim pa. Ganito guys yung 5:30 dito, mga 5:30. Medyo maliwanag dahil sa ilaw guys. Pero ang laki ng eye bag ko ngayon guys kasi wala akong tulog. Actually natulog ako mga past 2 na, tapos nagising ako alas 4. Kasi nga sabi ko ayoko yung hindi ako magising kasi mamaya nag-hoping sila tapos hindi kami makarating. Kaya okay lang yan, mamaya na lang ako matulog. See you guys in the beach! Morning, say good morning guys. Good morning! Happy Sunday! Shout the happy Sunday. Come on!
Happy Sunday!
Happy
Sunday!
On the way na kami guys. Maliwanag na, alas 6 na. So makikita nyo na yung mukha ko guys. Kasi maliwanag na. Say hi baby Ashby, good morning. Umalis kami dun, madilim pa ngayon, maaraw na, ay maliwanag na. May mga nag-e-exercise na. So guys, malapit na kami sa beach. Inaantok pa kami guys. Yung aking Ashby gising na gising din guys ngayon. O tingnan nyo. O. Ang liwanag na. Ayan na, malapit na. This one already, Zoe, look. This one, this is the sign. After this roundabout here.
More exits there.
Yeah, and then we're going to straight after this roundabout. So ganito guys yung kalsada dito, yung ano, hindi masyado maraming sasakyan, especially during morning. This one is Pican Muara, that one. So here, yay, we're Pantai Muara now guys. Here, where is it? There. Okay, so this is the one I like here, like, you know, what do you call this one? So many trees here. I really like this.
So no more hot.
Oh, it's a beach. We're going that way. Oh!
Welcome Mora Beach. Habibi. Welcome to Mora Beach.
Hello, how are you? Hello.
Kuya Chas, can you help us please to carry something? Ate!
Go on.
This is Ate!
You're not wearing her knee, baby.
So guys, nandito na kami sa beach. Ito yung Muara Beach guys dito. O, tingnan nyo. Naglalaro na sila dun, oh. Si Mamay nakaganyan na, magsiswimming daw siya. Kaya siya nakaganyan. Han, we put this one in trolley sa siya. Sira na yan, ha? Di pa. Diri pa. Di pa. The picture first,
we
oh.
find same stone the last time.
Oh!
Hmm?
This is the stone. You, kasi lie down and you put all things. So guys, first time ni Mamay na makarating dito sa Muara.
Kunulog, ano, palaka pa sa ili kagabi.
Din.
Ang sabot kami sa likod ng sana. Ano sa Muslim?
Arayo. Uy, uy, uy.
Ew, there's poop on that.
Here. Han, you look already? So, they are so happy here.
No, it's actually.
Where's the ants? Come on, find the ants, Ashby.
No, mommy, there's poop.
So, ganito guys, dito yung Muara, ay yung beach. Mayroon silang mga cottage. Tapos, mayroon silang mga barbecue stand dito. Barbecue. Here. Tapos, mayroon silang mga upuan dito. Yan. Tapos, napakalawak niya. Ang laki-laki. Tapos, nandun yung dagat. Medyo malayo ng konti. Yung dalawa naglalaro na sila ng naglalaro na sila ng buhangin. White, ano yun? Ito. Uy, careful ha! Sometimes there's snake. So, dito na sila guys. Naglalaro na sila ng buhangin. Ito.
Where's the mermaid?
Ito yung gustong-gusto nila guys. Nagdidig sila. Ayan, oh.
I really want to sit, but I can't.
You cannot sit here.
I only sit like this
Yeah.
because it's.
So, this is the good thing if, pag pumunta kayo dito sa beach ng medyo maaga pa kasi nga, hindi pa siya masyado mainit. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda-ganda ng kapaligiran natin guys today. So guys, this is Ashby first time to step on the sand. You see, how do you feel, Ashby?
Wow.
I'm just gonna use my hand.
How do you feel? What is it? She want to play with her sister and cousin. I will make your tea, honey.
Oh, sandcastle. Let's make a sandcastle. Me too. Wait, I have mosquitoes. Zoe, look.
Zia, did you bring the sunblock cream?
No. Hey, my brother's on the way to the beach.
What are we watching?
I found a leaf under here.
Campfire. Campfire.
Need more sugar. Mamay magtamis. Ito yung guys, yung boil ba na yun?
May ganun ka? Wala.
Paway-pay.
Ayun, yun pala.
Yung karton ng uling. Ay, takip.
Right. Remember how last time actually I Zoe? Before hindi man si pingiting di the grass here.
Yay!
Debbie, dia makan careful lah. You remove your feet. Debbie, siapa punya slipper?
Ay, Zoe punya.
Ashwi.
Jadi, sama. Uy, hindi rin man lang ako. Di man ako makarayo. Sure ka? Oo. Ingatan mo na, di mabasa. Oo. Okay. Joey, siya ka.
Joey. Joey.
May mga pay-pay na yung mga.
Joey.